In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add presenter's notes using AI in Figma slides. This feature is incredibly useful for Figma users, as it leverages artificial intelligence to help you craft relevant speaking points for each of your slides. Presenter notes are essential for keeping your delivery smooth and your message consistent, helping you cover key points without memorization. With AI assistance, this process becomes more efficient. Once you have your slides open, your first step is to select the slide for which you want to generate notes. Look to the left panel of your Figma interface. This panel displays thumbnails of all your slides. Locate the specific slide that needs notes, then simply click on its thumbnail. This action highlights the slide, making it the active canvas and ready for modification. It's crucial to select the correct slide, as the AI will analyze its content to generate the notes. Double-checking your selection ensures the accuracy of the generated notes. With your slide selected, your next step is to initiate the AI note generation process. Look for the options available, typically found in a sidebar. Here, you should spot the clear option labeled Start with a Draft. This button leverages Figma's integrated artificial intelligence for note creation. Clicking Start with a Draft prompts the AI to comprehensively analyze your selected slide's visual and textual content. The AI will intelligently process elements like headings, bullet points, and images to grasp the core message and key takeaways. Based on this analysis, it will propose well-structured presenter notes, designed to help you articulate the slide's content clearly and effectively. This isn't just regurgitating text. It's about providing insightful, contextual speaking points that enhance your presentation delivery and ensure clarity. This AI feature saves you substantial time and mental effort, offering a solid foundation of notes you can refine and personalize to match your unique presentation style and audience.